Okay, last time I finished off this problem and I was done, calculus wise and pretty much algebra wise, I was done. And we had finished it off and we had stopped right here. Well, not the, not the whole thing, just this piece right here. Yep. We had stopped right here. We had gotten 11 fifths x times the fifth root of x and then minus 32 times the ninth root of x to the fourth all over 9x. And we're assuming throughout this problem that x is positive. But anyway, now what if you had A, B, C, D, and what if they wrote the answer like this? You may be like, uh-oh, is my answer really the same? Yes, it is, but it can be hard to see why. You got to get a common denominator. Note, for this guy here, your denominator is 5. For this guy right here, your denominator is 9x. So remember, to get the common denominator, you need to multiply by what's missing. 9x down here, but you got to multiply by another 9x up here with the 11. And then the price, you got to, likewise in a similar manner, you got to multiply by 5 down here. You got to multiply by 5 for this guy. So times 5 down here times 5 up here. Notice you'll get 45x's. So 5 times 9x is 45x. And then the 9x's that were over here, 9x times 5 is also 45x. So I insert 9x over 9x here on this guy to the left of the minus sign. And I insert 5 over 5 to the immediate right of the minus sign. Okay, and what we're going to get, now remember, what you do is you do this top 9x is going to multiply that 11, just the 11. Now you're going to get 99, you're going to get 99x, but what I do, guys, is I take that x that's up here and I filter it down, and I move it down rather into this x that was already here, this x right here, and I multiply it into this x right here. So this x hits this x and you get x squared. That's another point of view, and I like that point of view better. So this top x, yeah, you could keep it up here. You could have a 99x up here and then this x down here, but you may as well just keep the 99 up here and put x squared here. You know, if you just had 99 up here, you know, you'd have x squared here. Or you could have 99x, well, if you just had 99 up here, you'd have x squared here. If you had 99x up here, you would have just x here. Again, if you just had plain 99 up here, you would have x squared here. And if you had 99x up here, you would just have x here. Okay, hope that helps. But I like the x squared point of view better. Okay, so I just plain 99 and x squared. Okay, so and the 9x down here, on the other hand, times 5 is 45x. Okay, and then again times the fifth root of x. The fifth root of x. Notice he didn't get anything capped on him. I sort of took the wrath out on this 11 fifths x. It was just nicer to do it that way. I sort of took out my multiplicative wrath on my 11 fifths x, and the fifth root of x got spared. You can do it the other way. Yeah, you would have a 9x times the fifth root of x over 9x, but that is kind of messy when you put it with this. It's correct, but messy. I like to do it this way better. Okay. Now over here, minus, now 5 fifths, he just really has one person to bump into. Now this 5 here, I'm gonna take the wrath out on the 32, so to speak. 5 times 32 is 160. And I get the 160 here. And, well, actually, let's go here first. I get it here. So I have the 99 over 45x squared times the root of x minus the 160 on account of this 5 times this 32. And then times the ninth root of x to the fourth. That doesn't change. Now, on the bottom, I have this bottom 5 times this 9x here. And I have 45x on account of that. So here's this 45x right here. Okay. Aha, but notice this right here, this first guy, this messy first guy can really be brought together. That's just this 99, this x squared, and this fifth root of x can be brought to the top like this. And then all put over the 45x, this one right here. Okay, so we have that. And then, well, this guy right here is good to go. He's in the form that I like him to be, so we just copy and paste him over here. Lo and behold, we have the same denominator, so we can now just bring the numerator together. So we have this, the 99x squared fifth root of x term, and then minus the 160 times the ninth root of x to the fourth term right here. And we bring it all together under the single listing common denominator because we brought the fraction together. Here it was a fragmented fraction. Here we brought it together. That was some ugly algebra, but guys, you need to be able to do it. I'm going to stop the video here because that's heavy enough to where I want this video to be shorter. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.